Hey, so I'm gonna give a short demo of my ArduTouch music synthesizer kit, which is this kit right here. It's a kit that I made to teach people to solder. Solder together, solder connections, and then it works. You turn it on, and it's got a touch keyboard, and it's got an Arduino that I designed in the corner. It'll work on any Arduino software, and it'll also work on any Arduino board. You don't need to use my board to do it. It also has an audio amplifier in the corner here with its own speaker, and it works really well. It's designed for anyone to learn to solder, even if you've never made anything before. Anyone can learn. It's all open source. All the plans for the board and the software, the firmware, is online. You can download it and make your own synthesizers with your own hardware or your own Arduino board. You can also use my documentation to learn how to make sound with computers, called digital signal processing, and it's really cool. The audio amplifier here is good enough to make some decent sound for just playing with, but if you have a real sound system, then you can do really cool stuff if you turn up the volume in the right place. Pretty high quality sound. And then by playing with the couple of knobs and the buttons, you can make even different sounds. You can go up and down octaves, and lots of different sounds. It's pretty cool. And if you reprogram it with the Arduino software, you can make very different sounds using different music synthesizer sketches. Let me use my phone camera to show you a few of them. Here's one that makes arpeggio sounds. Let's turn up the volume for that one. And then you can tell it to play itself. And it's playing itself. So here's a drum machine. And then on top of the drums you can pre-record rhythms, then you can play bass. And again, you can go up and down octaves. So that's a drum machine called Beatitude, and yeah, and then you can do, here's an Indian kind of like droney, really, I think, beautiful. You can play melody on top of it. It's got tabla and tambura, and then you can have melody. Yeah, it's sort of Indian-like scale from Indian classical music as well. So, yeah, and then if you like noise, here's one that makes great noise. And then you can make, by twiddling the knobs, all sorts of crazy sounds. And here's one that's sort of like a tape loop. And of course you can play all of them at once together as well and do all sorts of crazy cool things. So yeah, that's my project. If you like it, you can download it for free. It's on cornfieldelectronics.com, and kits are available too if you want to use my board. So yeah, if you do anything cool with it, let me know. I'll share it with other people. Have fun with it.